time it's coming in the form of socks. Yes, you heard that right. Here to show us how we can showcase our love this Valentine's Day with socks is Amanda and Angelo of the Railroad Sock, and of course Dion of the Love-a-thon. We have to throw the Love-a-thon in here as well. So Amanda, what do you have in mind for a Valentine's Day gift made with socks?
Well, since it is a season all about love and you don't have time to go to the floral shop, you can make your own floral bouquet with some socks. So everybody, you're gonna
she's gonna show us how.
We're gonna show you how. You're gonna fold your sock in half, and you're just gonna start at the toe end. And you're going to roll it and twist it all the way from the toe to the end.
Okay.
Just keep rolling it all the way to the end.
Just roll it.
Yep. And then when you get to the end, just imagine you're going to put it in your sock drawer like that, and you have made a flower.
And I have made a flower.
And then you can just put it in a box and showcase.
This flower won't die.
Won't die.
And you can wear it. That's it.
Over and over. That's it. That's all you have to do.
This is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Look at
that.
Look. Anybody can do that.
Look at my sock. I am now a rose sock crafter expert queen. There we go.
Yes.
There we go.
Yes.
All right. Well, of course, we have Dion here because with this season of love, you are partnering with the Love Fund for their Love-a-thon. Why is this organization so important to you?
When I was a young kid, my mom suffered with life, and we missed out on some basic necessities. As an adult, when my times were hard, I missed out in basic necessities. Now that I have the opportunity to give back to children in the form of sock donations and cash, I just want to provide for the youth in the community like it was done for me over my life.
I love that, Amanda.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Well, Dion,
yes.
we have a very special presentation for you in the form of a check.
Check.
Oh my gosh, this is $2,000 on behalf of the Railroad Sock. I mean, let us know, like, how will this impact the Love Fund for Children?
This is huge for us. One of the most frequent requests that we get is for new clothing, and socks are a big piece of that. Socks are winter warmth. Socks help kids participate in athletic activities and really just enjoy being a child. So thank you so very much, not just for the donation financially, but for the socks. Because that is the hands-on, tangible piece that's gonna just make their day.
Absolutely, and you donated 1,000, correct?
Well, I wanted to match what was raised in the 8 to 9 o'clock hour. We raised about $1,018. So instead of just giving $1,018, I decided to do $2,000.
Awesome.
Got a big heart.
Yes,
today.
absolutely. Now, of course, real quick, where can viewers just learn more about the Love Fund for Children?
Absolutely. You can visit the website, fox4kc.com/love, or come straight to the Love-a-thon webpage or social media accounts.
Awesome, awesome. I love this for you, Dion. And real quick, Amanda, where can our viewers learn more about you?
They can find us at therailroadsock.com. We're local here to Green Valley.
Awesome. And if you need a rose sock, you give me a call, okay? Because I know how to make these now. Thank you so much, y'all, for being here, and happy Valentine's Day to all of you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Of
Valentine's
course.
Day.
All right,
Thank you.
show your love for Valentine's Day with the help of the Railroad Sock, which is proudly American made. Visit their website, therailroadsock.com, to learn more.